Hi, and welcome back. So today we're going to be installing some graphics on the headlights of the Ryker. They're actually pretty cool. I'll show you what they kind of look like here. We got them right here. Cool. So this is going to be neat. So I think it's going to be a pretty quick and easy install. We've cleaned the headlights. We've completely dried them. So now we're going to turn around and do this install. So stay tuned. Okay. So it says to peel back a few inches of the liner, which is what I'm going to do, just a little. And I noticed that there are these little tabs which are going to have to tuck in to get this thing lined up properly. This is the trick, getting this tab in, because once it's sticky, you can't slip it in. Unless you can do it. Where's the...
You want the scissors then?
No, let me see. Alright, well, the card wasn't a great idea. So now I do need that just to tuck it, because you got to tuck it, but you got to be careful not to touch what's on the actual lens, just to touch what you're tucking. See, sticking to the bike.
Out?
Yeah. There's one right here, but I can't get it off now. Let's see. Okay, that looks good. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's get the other one. Put it on. Wait a minute. Oh, it goes like this. All right, now let's do this side. I'm going to do it the way I did it. Just peel the whole thing. It was easier way.
Was it?
You got that card? All right. Did it fall down over there?
Where?
Did I drop it on the floor? Or did I put it on the truck?
Yeah, it did.
Let me see where I lined up. Hold on. So lining it up is the trick. Yeah. Let me have the thing. I hope I can get it in. See, it keeps sticking to the mic. Just do that. All right, and there we go. Let's take a look at it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. There's a wrinkle I see here. We can push it out. We probably should have pulled all this plastic off. Made it easier.
Want me to open it?
Oh, it's kind of late. I mean, yeah, you want to? Does this open?
This way.
Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah. Why did... Here, hold this. Here, let me have it back. There we go. There we go. Nice. Awesome. Very, very cool. I think that looks awesome. So there you go. Super simple installing, right? Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Please click that thumbs up button. Yeah, I think it looks really good. Awesome little feature. It looks pretty awesome. Here's another view from a distance. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. And it's going to, you know, it won't affect the light. The headlights will shine through just fine. Pretty awesome. Very cool. Thanks for watching.